Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing your phone and vehicle so the app can communicate. Open the app now, sign in or register with an email you control, and grant Bluetooth and location permissions. These let the app find your vehicle. Once done, go to the vehicle pairing screen and follow the on-screen code, prompt to link devices. Make sure your vehicle ignition is in accessory mode during pairing so signals exchange cleanly. Now you configure the app for real use by creating a vehicle profile. Enter the VIN or scan the QR to load model-specific options. This ensures diagnostics map correctly. Next, enable telematics modules like ride logs, OTA firmware updates, and diagnostic reporting so the app collects useful data. Then customize alerts and sharing, set speed or geofence thresholds and maintenance reminders. Once finished by using the app daily, tap Connect, choose the vehicle profile, and confirm live tracking shows speed and location. After rides, review summaries and export logs for maintenance or insurance needs, and schedule service appointments directly in the app when prompted. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart the app and device, toggle Bluetooth and location, then repeat the pairing sequence. This resolves most connectivity issues and forces a fresh sync, so you can continue using TVS Connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.